and we will give name P, Q, and this is our R. So we are having 3 angle in one triangle. Now what we have to do? We have to perpendicular bisect it. So we are having sides. They said perpendicular bisector of sides. So we are having 3 sides, that is PQ, okay, QR and PR. These are 3 sides. Okay, these are 3 sides of triangle. Now we are going to bisect it. Now we are having PQ. So I am taking first side, that is PQ. With the help of P and Q, I am going to bisect. The same rule, take more than half. More than half we have to take to form an arc. So I am taking more than half. Okay, this much. See, this is our point. More than half I have taken. This is our half. On the base of guessing I am taking this more than this one, and we are going to form one arc. Make it big, so when we are going to join both sides it should come. So now on the point Q, the another arc I am making. Okay, now we are going to join this. Understood? This is perpendicular bisector of PQ line. Now again we have to make side PR. Same thing, same perpendicular bisector we have to make, and again in QR also we have to make same perpendicular bisector with the help of with the help of Q and R point. This is our R and this is our P. More than half, as I said you, then make arc. Okay, I hope it is visible. Okay, and measure should be same, it should not change, otherwise you will not form proper arc. See, you can see, I will make little big here. Okay, so that it will join when I am taking on R. Okay, I hope it is visible. Now I am joining this point. Take in proper place, and neatness is must. It's geometrical construction. I hope you understood. I have took, with the help of P and R point, I have made perpendicular bisector. I hope you are getting me. Now we are going to draw perpendicular bisector of side QR. The same thing, more than half you have to take. I have not changed the measure, as already have took for 2 sides, so I have keep as it is. So like this, make it big so that it should come proper arc. Now with the help of R point I am going to draw. Okay, now we have to join this arc. I hope you are getting me. If you have any doubt, you can comment. I will reply. This is done. So this is done.